there's also going in with the expectation of knowing that a lot of people either won't be nice or just are going to tell you that you have no and be negative, or just be like, you don't want to do this, trust me, like you don't experience it. And you have to be able to face that. So like my spreadsheet didn't say like, oh yeah, all these things were good. Some of them were like, this guy hated me. Like,
yeah,
try and avoid him and make sure he's not involved with you getting a job, because I just had a bad feeling about that meeting. And it was like, don't reach out to him again. That's a reason why I kept a log, is like to keep track of who I reached out to, when I reached out to them, how I felt the meeting went, just the temperature of the meeting.
So how many people did you meet with, you think, overall with internally before you made the transition?
It was meet with, I would say maybe 40 to 50, but reached out to is probably like 200.
That's insane.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And, yeah. And some of those meetings, like I said, like didn't go that well, but like, I was just like, I don't know if this is going to work. And that's the hardest part, because you're dedicating so much of your time to making it work. But I was just like, the only risk is it not working. Like there's no other risk. Like it's just when it's just,
the bigger risk
in finance,
telling HR over and over again.
Exactly.